This is the elevator at an apartment complex in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go up to 3. These buttons don't press in, as you can tell someone clearly tried to. This right here is the floor indicator. We are at 3. Let's go back down to 1. No door close button. Here's your cab view once the door's shut. It says general elevator right here. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's the rest of your cab view. I'm honestly surprised this is still original. Let's go for one more ride. That doesn't work. I tried shutting a door on the 3rd floor earlier. Nothing lit up. So, pretty small elevator, 1,200 pound capacity. I'd say you could probably fit, honestly, you could probably fit 4 people in here, and maybe 5, but can't see any more. Well, let's send it up. Let's watch. Let's see if this one works. So just like the inside, only the 2 light works. Actually, never mind, 3 works as well. And that doubles as an in-use light. Anyway, that'll be it.